I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Now search and select Action LionDesk. Give here the client ID and client secret. So, click on Please visit the LionDesk apps. New app. Give here name and redirect URI. Save. Copy the client ID and paste it here. For client secret, click on Reveal Secret. And copy the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorized, successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use it, checking the box. Also, here is conditional logic, you can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your LionDesk site, and you can see here the data came successfully in LionDesk. Thanks for watching.